I'm John with StallSavers, and today we're going to show you how to weld material together. You're going to need a torch, a knife, and I use a roller, but it's not necessary. Get the two pieces that you want to weld together and square up your sides. Then you're going to want to cut a strip of material 5 inches big, so that way you can overlap 2.5 inches on either side. Now, flip it over so the fuzzy side is up. You'll get a better penetration with your weld that way. Now, take your material, overlap 50% or the 2.5 inches, and heat both sides. Doesn't take long, it heats up very quickly. Roll together and repeat. And likewise with the other side. Then you're going to want to flip it over and get any seam that wasn't done. And after you get this method down, the sizes are endless.